Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about asymptotes. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find the domain. And we see that s plus 5 cannot equals to number 0. So that means we got about s equals to s is not equals to negative number 5. So we will have the limit. When s approach to negative number 5 on the right, so that means on the positive in here. So we put negative number 5 on numerator. You will got about negative 15 minus 1. You got about negative 60. But on denominator, from the positive side, they are go to positive. Negative 16 go to number 0 for the positive in here. You will got about negative infinity. So when s approach to negative number 5 on the left, so we see that on the left, this one they still on negative 16, but on the left of this one they go to number 0, but number 0 they are still in the negative in here. So that means negative divide negative, you got about positive. Negative divide to number 0 in the negative side, you got about positive infinity. And we just finished about describe its behavior of vertical asymptote in here. So the vertical asymptote of this one, that's about s equals to negative number 5. Now let's go to horizontal asymptotes. So we need to put about the limit, and s go to positive infinity. So we divide both sides of s on numerator and denominator. So we have 3s divided by s, 1 divided by s. You got about 3 minus 1 over s. S divided by s, 5 divided by s. So you got about 1 plus 5 over s. So when s go to positive infinity and s go to positive infinity of this one, you will got about 0, 0. So that means we will have 3 plus 0 over 1 plus 0. And this one you got about number 3. Similar for this one. When s go to negative infinity, we do the same. And you got about number 3. So the horizontal vertical, that's about y equals to number 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.